It's ice cream. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little road drive, and we're going to take you with us because you like to go places that we go. So here's a twist. We've never ate up here at the West Side Party Store here in Portland, so there we go. Just say we're driving along.
Just driving along Route 66, heading north. Okay, now we're out in the boonies right now.
Nice and peaceful.
Very peaceful.
Oops, there's a deer right there. There's a deer. See him?
Slow down, slow down.
I am. Yep, look at it. He's like,
there,
nope.
You got it. All right.
He didn't want to be hit today. That's a good thing. I didn't want to hit him.
So on the back roads as the sun's starting to go down.
Pretty beautiful skies. You see the birds. You hear the critters. Very, very nice. I'm really loving this cornfield and the beautiful skies. It's so nice and peaceful.
You can see all the lightning bugs out there.
Mm-hmm. So thanks for sharing my birthday with us and a little ride and some ice cream and dinner. Thanks very much for stopping by. You have a very, very blessed and wonderful day.